In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an AdSense report in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned website owner or just getting started with monetizing your site, understanding your AdSense performance is crucial. It helps you make informed decisions that can increase your revenue. So let's dive in and create a report together. First things first, navigate to the Google AdSense website. If you've visited the site before, the URL might be familiar, but if not, you can easily find it by searching Google AdSense. This site is where all the magic happens for website monetization. Once you're there, you'll notice an option to sign in. Click on it. This is your gateway to accessing the treasure trove of features Google AdSense offers, including the reporting functionality we're focusing on today. After clicking on sign in, you're prompted to enter your email. Make sure to use the email associated with your AdSense account. This step is pretty straightforward, but crucial for accessing the right data on your account. Once you input your email, hit next, and you'll be asked to enter your password. Type it carefully to avoid any access issues. Now that you're signed in, you want to navigate to the home dashboard of Google AdSense. Here you'll find an overview of your account, but what we're interested in today is the reports section. Look for the reports option and click on it. This area provides a deep dive into the performance metrics of your ads, something that every site owner looks to improve continuously. Inside the report section, you're presented with several report types. This variety allows you to customize what data you want to view according to your needs. For example, you might want to see how much you've earned over a certain period, or perhaps you're more interested in the number of page views. Choosing the right report type will depend on what aspect of your site's monetization you're eager to analyze. Next, after selecting your preferred report type, you'll need to add specific metrics to your report. This is where Google AdSense truly shines, offering a plethora of metrics like earnings, page views, RPM, revenue per thousand impressions, and even the viewability of your ads. By clicking on Add, you can customize the report to include exactly what metrics matter most to you. This customization capability means your report won't just be a bunch of numbers, but a tailored analysis of your site's performance. At this stage, you have the ingredients needed to create a comprehensive report. Remember, the aim here is to understand your site's performance. What's working? What can be improved? These insights are pivotal to making strategic decisions that can enhance your site's revenue potential through well-placed and well-managed ads. While creating your first report might seem a bit daunting at first, the process itself is fairly intuitive. Google AdSense has designed its platform with usability in mind, ensuring that even those new to site monetization can navigate through its features with ease. Plus, knowing how to analyze your ad performance is an invaluable skill in the digital age, helping you to optimize your content and ad placements better. Additionally, diving into the data might reveal surprising trends or insights you hadn't considered before. Perhaps certain types of content are more lucrative than others, or certain days of the week bring in more ad revenue. By regularly reviewing these reports, you'll start recognizing patterns and learning more about how your audience interacts with your ads. This knowledge is gold, as it helps in tweaking your strategy for better results. In summary, creating an AdSense report is a simple yet powerful way to understand and enhance your website's earning potential. From signing in to selecting report types and metrics, each step is designed to help you access crucial performance data easily. And with this data, the power to optimize your site's monetization strategy is right at your fingertips. Remember, the world of website monetization is always evolving, and staying on top of your site's ad performance is key to navigating these changes successfully. So go ahead, start creating your first AdSense report today and step into a world of insights that could significantly boost your site's revenue. Here's to making informed decisions and growing your online presence.